Hey there, on this channel, I'll be diving deep into all the latest tech gadgets. Welcome to Beyond Luxury.
The XPLR Comp Portable Folding Stool is a compact, lightweight seating solution designed for both outdoor and indoor use. Weighing just 1.98 pounds and collapsing to only 2.56 inches in height, it's easy to carry using the included 22-inch adjustable strap. Built with durable reinforced polypropylene and a fish scale structure, it supports up to 400 pounds and features a non-slip base for stability. Its adjustable height range, 2.56 inches to 17.72 inches, allows comfortable use for both adults and children across various scenarios: camping, fishing, hiking, picnics, or even office and home tasks. A built-in self-locking mechanism ensures safe and secure setup, preventing accidental collapse. Ideal for tight spaces and on-the-go use, this stool combines portability with strength. Backed by a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, the Barrysail folding knife features a 3.3-inch D2 stainless steel blade, enhanced through a stone washing process for increased wear resistance and long-term sharpness. Its G10 handle, measuring 4.72 inches, offers a lightweight, corrosion-resistant build with non-slip grooves and a finger contour for a stable, ergonomic grip. The secure liner lock mechanism ensures the blade stays firmly in place during use, while the flipper allows for quick and smooth one-handed deployment. Designed for everyday utility, from opening boxes and slicing fruit to outdoor tasks, this knife combines durability, safety, and portability. Ideal for daily carry, it delivers dependable performance with a professional finish. This camo green paracord lanyard and keychain set combines functionality with patriotic design, making it ideal for everyday carry and outdoor activities. The set includes a full-length braided lanyard and a matching short keychain, both featuring a 3D USA flag emblem as a tribute to those who served. Built with a durable zinc alloy hook, the components are rust-resistant and safe to carry, thanks to their smooth, rounded edges. Perfect for holding keys, ID badges, flashlights, or wallets, the paracord can also be unraveled in emergencies for tying gear, securing tents, or other survival needs. Whether used for hiking, camping, or daily tasks, this set offers practicality and a meaningful design, making it an excellent gift for friends, family, or outdoor enthusiasts. The Rovivon E7 is a compact, high-performance EDC flashlight designed for versatility, reliability, and everyday convenience. Its standout feature is the GITD blue fluorescent shell, which glows after light exposure, making it easy to locate in the dark. The flashlight includes a new lock mode, activated by a rapid 4-click sequence, to prevent accidental activation during pocket or bag carry. With dual power options, it runs on either a built-in 330 mAh rechargeable battery, USB-C charging, or a standard 8AA battery, ensuring continuous use even when recharging isn't possible. The dual-button control system allows access to multiple lighting modes, including white and red side LEDs, strobe, SOS, and a practical moonlight setting. Measuring just 2.6 inches and weighing 1.13 ounces, it features a reversible pocket clip for secure hands-free use. Ideal for daily carry, outdoor activities, or emergencies, the E7 combines innovative design with dependable functionality. The ESOTab solar camping table is a lightweight, foldable, and highly functional solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing just 2.2 kilograms, it's compact enough to carry on airplanes and high-speed trains thanks to its battery-free design. Featuring a powerful 28-watt monocrystalline solar panel with a conversion efficiency of greater than or equal to 23%. It delivers dual 5 volts 2.1 amps USB outputs to charge smartphones, tablets, cameras, and other USB-powered devices directly from sunlight. With an IP67 waterproof tabletop, digital display for voltage, current, and intelligent safety protections, the table performs reliably in rugged environments, from mountains to beaches. Designed to operate across extreme temperatures, -15 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, it's the ideal companion for camping, hiking, fishing, or emergency situations, bringing clean, portable energy wherever your adventure leads. The Alox Camping Cookware Set is a compact and reliable solution for outdoor cooking. Made from ultralight, hard anodized aluminum and food-grade silicone, it offers excellent heat resistance, durability, and non-toxic safety for outdoor use. The thermally insulated handles and large silicone gasket prevent burns and ensure a secure grip. Designed for 1 to 2 people, the set includes a 2.2-liter pot, 7.5-inch fry pan, 1.4-liter kettle, and a cleaning cloth, all nested neatly into a compact 7.4-inch by 4.5-inch package weighing just 1.76 pounds. Ideal for hiking, camping, and picnics. This all-in-one kit provides efficient heat distribution, space-saving storage, and dependable performance wherever your adventure takes you. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp cooking system is a compact, high-performance 2-burner stove ideal for group camping. Each burner delivers 10,000 BTUs with precision flame control for everything from simmering to boiling. It includes a 5-liter flux ring pot with strainer lid, a 10-inch ceramic nonstick fry pan, windscreen, fuel regulator, and a carry bag. The entire set nests together for easy packing. JetLink compatibility allows connection to additional stoves, and the system performs reliably even in cold conditions, perfect for efficient, all-in-one outdoor cooking. The Ignik heated blanket is a high-power 12-volt electric blanket designed to deliver consistent warmth in cold outdoor conditions, making it perfect for camping, van life, RVing, tailgating, and more. With a heat output of up to 48 watts per hour, it requires a 12-volt, 4.0-amp power source, not included, and uses around 250 to 300 watt-hours for a full night's use. It features a handheld controller with an adjustable heat display and auto shutoff to save energy. Crafted from non-slip micro-suede with cape mode connectors for hands-free use, the 72 by 52-inch blanket combines comfort, durability, and sustainability, using recycled materials built to withstand rugged outdoor environments. The SOG Flint is a compact, lightweight survival tool designed for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness. Measuring just 4.3 inches and weighing less than an ounce, it's easily portable and packs multiple essential features. It includes a built-in Ferrocerium fire starter for reliable ignition, a hidden steel wool tinder compartment for quick fire setup, a carbide-tipped glass breaker for emergency escapes, and a high-decibel safety whistle for signaling. Engineered for durability and practical use in harsh conditions, the Flint is a must-have backup tool for camping, hiking, or survival kits. The GoTime Gear Life Tent is a compact, ultralight emergency survival shelter made from durable PET mylar that reflects 90% of body heat to keep you warm in harsh conditions. Weighing only 8.7 ounces, it's waterproof, windproof, and packs easily into any backpack, making it an essential addition to your hiking, camping, or emergency kit. It sets up quickly between trees or with rocks and doubles as a sleeping bag or bivy sack. Built-in emergency tools include a 120 decibel whistle for long-range signaling and a 550-pound Parasync drawstring for added utility, ideal for winter survival and all-weather protection. The SEG 30 backpack offers 30 liters of organized storage in a lightweight, durable, and water-resistant design. Its 5 external zipper pockets provide easy access and help keep belongings neatly separated. It includes a padded laptop sleeve, water bottle pocket, multiple carry handles, and a detachable sternum strap, making it perfect for travel or daily use. This camping lantern delivers up to 1,000 lumens with a 360-degree beam for bright, glare-free lighting. It features 4 light modes: cool white, warm white, combined, and flashing with dimmable options, except flashing. Powered by 3D batteries, not included, it's ready for immediate use without charging. The IPX4 waterproof rating and shockproof rubberized case make it durable and suitable for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and hiking. It offers versatile hanging options with a top handle and fold-out hook, and a removable lampshade for flexible use. The Dark Vault comms case offers battlefield-grade protection for your everyday carry devices, keeping them safe from water, dust, and dirt without blocking signal. It features a modular MOLA PO-LS mounting system for secure and versatile attachment on gear with the ability to quickly detach and carry separately. The case includes an adjustable lever to open up to 180 degrees, turning it into a navigation or communication platform. It supports tamper-evident locks for security, locks not included, and comes with custom Velcro panels for easy organization and ID mounting. Compact and durable, it's ideal for survival, duty, or outdoor adventures. The Fire Stove is a lightweight, durable stainless steel wood-burning rocket stove designed for camping and emergencies. Weighing only 3 pounds, it features a patented fold-flat design for quick setup and easy transport, making it airplane-friendly. Its 2-leg stable base and 45-degree angled air intake improve airflow and fuel efficiency, allowing longer burn times between refills. Eco-friendly and fueled by natural biomass like twigs or pine cones, it's perfect for outdoor cooking, backpacking, and survival situations without relying on gas canisters. Ideal for camping trips, power outages, or disaster preparedness. This collapsible telescoping stool features a larger square seat for enhanced comfort and an adjustable height from 2.5 to 18 inches. It includes a soft, flexible cushion secured by elastic straps for added coziness. Lightweight and compact when folded, 10 by 10 by 2.5 inches. It comes with a durable nylon carrying bag with an adjustable strap for easy transport. Its upgraded fish scale structure and reinforced clasps provide excellent stability and support, holding up to 485 pounds. Ideal for camping, fishing, concerts, golf, and more, this versatile stool combines portability, durability, and comfort. The Wazoo Cache Belt is a rugged, stylish, and highly functional travel belt designed for adventurers and everyday explorers. Made with military-spec webbing and durable 304 stainless steel buckles coated in Cerakote ceramic finish, it ensures toughness and security in any environment. Featuring a top-loading Velcro pocket, it provides quick access to valuables like money or survival tools, acting as both a money belt and a discreet storage solution. Adjustable for a comfortable, snug fit, the belt combines durability with day-long comfort. Its versatile design pairs well with jeans or workwear, making it both a practical and bold statement accessory for those who live life on the edge. The Kazoo Mercury 4-person camping tent is designed to provide a comfortable and spacious shelter for family outdoor adventures. Measuring 102 inches by 102 inches with a height of 65 inches, it easily accommodates 4 people. The tent features a sturdy yet lightweight frame built with 3 fiberglass poles and a dome-shaped design, ensuring stability even in harsh weather conditions. Crafted from durable 210T ripstop polyester with a 150D Oxford floor, the tent offers excellent waterproof protection rated above 3,000 millimeters, with all seams sealed to keep you dry. Ventilation is optimized through mesh windows and ceiling vents, while 2 large double-zip doors provide easy entry and exit. Inside, multiple pockets and hang loops help organize your gear and essentials. The tent is equipped with smooth SBS dual zippers and high-quality materials, making it a reliable choice for camping, hiking, fishing, outdoor BBQs, family parties, and more. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Kazoo Mercury tent combines durability, functionality, and comfort to enhance your outdoor experience. Randy Sun waterproof socks feature a 100% waterproof, breathable membrane and Coolmax fabric to keep feet dry and cool. They have a smooth toe seam for blister protection, a deep heel cup to prevent slipping, and a cushioned sole for comfort. Made from durable, lightweight, and windproof materials, they're ideal for hiking, trekking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. Machine washable and color fast, but the cuff is not waterproof. The UCO Behemoth Stormproof Sweetfire is a durable, high-performance fire starter made in India. It includes 9 renewable biofuel fire starters, each burning for 15 minutes. These fire starters are wind and waterproof and come in a compact 5.5-inch metal storage tin with a hanging tab, ideal for reliable outdoor use. Tenergy's multifunctional NOAA weather radio is essential for emergencies like power outages, hurricanes, or earthquakes. It features a built-in LED flashlight, SOS siren, and supports AM, FM, and WM radio frequencies. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 milliamp hour battery, it can be charged via hand crank, solar panel, A batteries, or USB. The radio includes two 120 lumen LED flashlights and an SOS light siren for signaling. Its battery also serves as a backup power bank for phones and electronics. Certified by CEPSE and ROHS, it comes with lifetime support from Tenergy's California-based team,